Get ready, because Apple's next big software event is hiding a massive change that absolutely nobody predicted. If you thought you knew what was coming to your phone this year, you need to hear this right now. Forget about those minor visual redesigns. Forget about getting just a few new colorful emojis or a slightly tweaked lock screen. The upcoming major iOS update is a total, ground-up rebuild of the entire iPhone experience. Apple is completely redefining how we interact with our devices every single day. They are introducing a completely new, insanely smart processing engine directly into the core of the operating system. This incredibly advanced software will unlock mind-blowing capabilities that will completely change how your phone thinks and operates. It is going to revolutionize mobile photography. It will introduce crazy new background automations. Most importantly, it will entirely supercharge your daily routine with a level of computational power we have never seen before. But before we dive into all the insane new features coming to your device, there is some very tough news for millions of loyal users. Apple is officially ending software support for one of the most iconic iPhone lineups ever made. According to the newly leaked compatibility list, this massive update will strictly only support the iPhone 12 series and newer models. This support list also includes the third-generation iPhone SE. That means if you are currently holding an iPhone 11, an iPhone 11 Pro, or an iPhone 11 Pro Max, you are officially reaching the end of the road. Your beloved device will not get this massive update. The actual reason behind this harsh decision is absolutely wild. The older processors simply cannot handle the intense computing power required for what is coming next. Staying behind on an older chip would just result in a terrible, laggy experience. The complex local processing required for this new smart system needs serious hardware power to run smoothly. Let us start with the camera app, because this update is absolutely huge for creators and casual users alike. For the very first time ever, Pro iPhone users might finally get a fully customizable camera interface. You will no longer be locked into Apple's strict default layout. You will be able to drag and move every single button, tool, and setting exactly where you want it. You can build the camera screen for your own specific shooting style. Letting users design their own camera layout shows that Apple is finally listening to pro photographers. But the real game changer here is the new live visual search tool. This powerful feature is built directly into the camera viewfinder. You will be able to just point your iPhone at a random fast car on the street. You can point it at a cool luxury watch, a rare sneaker, a cute pet, or an unknown tech gadget. In a split second, the new smart system could instantly identify the exact make and model. It will pull up the exact pricing and grab all the relevant shopping information from the internet in real time. It will even instantly translate foreign text live on your screen as you look at it. This turns your camera into a superpowered search engine for the real world. Trust me, it gets even crazier after you actually take the photo. Leaks strongly suggest that the new iOS is introducing a groundbreaking image extension feature. This tool will be capable of generating entirely new backgrounds around your existing pictures. Imagine taking a group photo where someone is slightly cut off at the edge. The smart software can transform your normal tight shots into massive ultra-wide cinematic images. It does this by seamlessly filling in the missing scenery perfectly. On top of that, there is a powerful new enhancement tool designed specifically to save your bad memories. It will take your blurry, old, or low-quality photos. Then it will automatically restore them into sharp, high-resolution masterpieces in just a few seconds. But Apple's absolute biggest focus appears to be a completely rebuilt virtual assistant experience. We all know the voice assistant has struggled a lot in the past. That era is finally over. The assistant is reportedly getting its own dedicated standalone app. It will feature deep personal context awareness. Instead of simply responding to basic voice commands or setting simple timers, this newly upgraded assistant will actually understand your entire digital life. It could safely scan your emails, read your files, look at your photos, and learn your daily routines. It will use this private information to complete complex real-world tasks totally automatically. Imagine telling your phone to find a specific PDF attachment from an email you received last week. Then imagine telling it to send that exact file through WhatsApp to your manager. You can do all this without ever touching your phone screen. The intelligent software would reportedly handle every single step in the background on its own. You can consider this new assistant to be a highly capable digital agent. It sits quietly inside your phone, always ready to do everything you ask of it securely and privately. Apple Wallet is also getting a massive brain upgrade this year. It is rolling out a brand new digital pass system that sounds incredibly useful for travelers and eventgoers. You will reportedly be able to use your camera to scan physical paper tickets. You can scan complex QR codes, old parking slips, and standard boarding passes. The smart software will instantly digitize them directly into your Apple Wallet. There will be no more downloading random third-party apps just to park your car or go to a music concert. Everything will be handled natively inside the Apple ecosystem. In my opinion, this is exactly the massive leap forward the iPhone has desperately needed for years. Having this powerful, next-generation engine run silently in the background could easily make this the most powerful mobile operating system in the world. The camera freedom combined with a truly smart digital agent will make upgrading to a newer iPhone absolutely worth your money. This deep integration bridges the gap between premium hardware excellence and advanced software capabilities. It solves the biggest limitation Apple faced in recent years. Your phone will finally become the ultimate personal assistant we were promised a decade ago. This bold move proves Apple is not holding back anymore. What specific feature are you most excited about? Let us know down in the comments below. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video and hit the bell icon.